Greetings in Nepali. Hello, namaste, namaste. Hello, Paul. Namaste, Paul. Namaste, Paul. Good morning. Subha Prabhat. Subha Prabhat. Subha means good. Prabhat means morning. Good evening. Subha Sandhya. Subha Sandhya. Sandhya means evening. Good night. Subha Ratri. Subha Ratri. And for good afternoon, you can say Subha Aparanna. But normally we don't say Subha Aparanna. You might hear some people saying Subha Diuso, but it sounds little bit odd. Diuso means day. For good day, you can say Subha Din. For good afternoon, you can say Subha Aparanna. Aparanna means afternoon.
How are you?
Tapaiलाई कस्तो छ? Tapaiलाई कस्तो छ? This is formal, and informal sentence is तिमीलाई कस्तो छ? तिमीलाई कस्तो छ?
What are you doing?
तपाईं के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? तपाईं के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
Long time no see.
धेरै भयो नदेखेको. धेरै भयो नदेखेको.
What's up?
के छ? के छ? Or you can also say के छ साथी? What's up, friend? Sathi means friend. Or you can also say के छ भाइ? Bhai means brother, younger brother. Or के छ दाइ? Dai means elder brother.